Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is all about a Dollar Tree haul, and I live in Canada, so our Dollar Tree is usually craptacular, but right now the fall decor is amazeballs. So come with me as I show you everything I got and how I use it to decorate my home. So this is all the stuff that I got this year, most of it from the Dollar Tree. This is my haul this year and it's enormous, but I could not resist. The Dollar Tree is amazing. My favorite thing are these cotton stems. They're so beautiful and they're so expensive if you were to go to a home decor store or Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Just put them in a vase and you have instant decor on a budget. My favorite thing from the dollar store is usually to pick up these vines. I love wrapping them around just about everything in the fall, but they're a perfect way to update a grocery store $6 mum, add a few other little dollar store accessories, and it looks like it's worth $60 instead of $6. These fall leaves, they're just so rustic and beautiful, and I'm gonna hang them across the fireplace to make a really inexpensive dollar banner. And adding onto my mantle, these great pumpkins. They are solid wood. I cannot believe they're from the Dollar Tree. Most of the things I picked up are just such beautiful silk flowers. Not like your grandma's dusty silk dollar store flowers, but they actually look gorgeous. And I'm gonna use them to create a DIY under $10 fall centerpiece, but that video is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. How cute are these turkey salt and pepper shakers? I'm not a salt and pepper shaker person, but I could not resist these for $1. Every Dollar Tree haul video I've seen has shown these gorgeous metallic Thanksgiving and fall words, but I couldn't not get them. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna use them, but they're so fab, and you get 3 for $1. I also love adding these dollar store signs. They're from the Dollar Tree too, and again, they really update and make your $6 potted mum from the grocery store look much more expensive. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Coming up this week is another DIY with the amazing Christina from DIY Mummy, and I'm also gonna do a video showing you my whole fall home decor tour, everything from the dollar store. See you then. So thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. It's time for story time. This is a sad story. You ready for it? So you guys know last July I got Botox in my face and it was a horrible experience and I swore I would never do it again. A year later, I was talking with a friend, I haven't seen her in a long time. She was glowy and gorgeous and I'm like, what is your secret? Like, why do you look so amazing? She told me she got Botox, and so in a moment of weakness, I literally called the same place that she went, and they were like, yeah, we have an opening today. So I went that day, got some needles in my face. It's like a quick fix to feel better. The thing is, I'm amazed at people who look great with Botox. My face isn't one of those faces. First of all, immediately my eyebrows shot up like I was some evil doctor, and then they fell low. And I have a really big forehead and hooded eyes, so I'm like, it's a resting bee face. That's what's happening here. I always like raise my eyebrows with lots of expression. They ain't raising. And they'd hardly put any in either. Listen, some people look gorgeous with Botox, and the truth is, I would recommend trying it. It's really not that expensive. You may have a face that looks gorgeous with Botox, but you also may have a face that doesn't look so gorgeous with Botox, and then you have to wait 3 months until it wears off. But you know what? The silver lining here is when it does wear off, I appreciate the fact that my eyebrows raise and I have that deep forehead wrinkle because it's, you know, it's my face and I don't look angry. I'd much rather be old and wrinkled than like this. Angry Cass. It's not a good look on me. Anyways, I had to share that with you because you can tell. Look at my face. I had to share it with you. I'll see you guys next time.